So it has failed about 8 or 9 times, and it says the extruder motor is overloaded. Check to see that the extruder is not blocked or that there's not a problem. And every time I just hit resume, and it goes ahead and it builds the part, and it has no problem at all building the part. But it doesn't extrude here. It just did this tiny little bit, and then the print right before this one was ABS. I've been having problems with PLA, but the print 2 hours ago before this one was ABS, and it dug in right there. And then this time, this is PET G. This orange is PET G. And it dug in over there. That further line right there. It just did that just now. So it's now, and it's never done this before. I've run 100 prints through this or more. I've got several hundred hours in it, and it's never not done this until just a couple days ago. And now it's done it about 7 or 8 times where it doesn't put my test bead out. And now in the last 2 prints, the one closest to us is ABS or with ABS material. And then that further one to the right just happened just now with PET G material in it. And I realize that doesn't have anything to do necessarily with the material, but I'm just trying to tell you that this has happened multiple times now, and it's got a problem. And I've tried different materials with different AMS units and different slots in both AMS. I did all the PLA up out of this printer, and then I did the white ABS, and it ran, and it did not have an error message. It didn't tell me that the extruder motor was overloaded, but it did with this orange out of that right slot or right position of that AMS unit. The orange is what's loading or running right now, and that did give me the error message. And when I said go ahead and resume, it scraped that far, that white line right there. It just did that. What is going on, and what do I need to do? Do I need to do some kind of calibration? Or why is it not printing my little test bead that it always has? 100 times it's always printed that just fine. So what do I need to change? Thanks for watching. Let me know.